Hi guys, welcome to Java Smart. My name is Jaypratap Singh. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain Spring JMS, Spring Java Messaging Services. So just like we use Hibernate in Spring using Hibernate template, we use JMS using JMS template. So like normally what we do, I have explained this in one of my tutorial, how to use ActiveMQ JMS. So for that we write connection factory, and then we write uh, connection, then we write session, then producer or consumer, and then we produce message and then consume message. Here we are going to use JMS template, and that will interact with the ActiveMQ, and that ActiveMQ connection factory and other configuration information will be provided in the spring.xml file. So let's get started. We will create a project. It will be a spring JMS. So I need some libraries. So let's build path. I have spring library, user library, so I will add this, and I need, for this particular tutorial, I need ActiveMQ. So I have downloaded ActiveMQ from MQ site, and then I have this jar file Apache ActiveMQ 4.1, so I have to add this jar. So build path is configured. Now we need to create some classes. So I'll create a class producer. I will create another class that will be my consumer class, consumer. Then one more class I will have, that will be my test class, test, and it will have main method. Okay, so classes are okay. Now I need to create one XML file. So that will be my spring.xml, which will have all the beans and other configuration information. So now what I need to do, I have to add schema. So just need to add this. I have added closing bean. Now we will create some beans. So first bean will be connection factory, and the class for this, I have to find the class so that I can find inside my libraries. That will be ActiveMQ connection factory class. So ActiveMQ I will get inside Apache MQ. Now inside this, no, not in this one, it must be inside this. What is ActiveMQ connection factory? Yeah, here it is. I need to copy the path, need to pass this path here. We'll remove dot class, and inside this we need to pass one property, that is broker URL. So broker URL, since I am running ActiveMQ on my local system, so I will pass value as TCP localhost, and the port is 61616 for this. property is set. Now we need to create another bean, that is my destination. So name will be dest and the class will be, so class I need to I'm going to create a queue. I can create queue or a topic. So here destination I will be take queue. So active mq class I need to get, it's not here. Okay, so it will be inside command. So I need to get that. Yeah, qualified path. I'm going to use queue, so it will be a destination will be active mq queue. So I need to pass this address here, and inside this I have to name that property. So the value will be, I will name my queue as my first queue, and it's done. Now we need to create JMS template bean. So name of the bean is JMS template and the class is, so I need to get the qualified name, and that will be inside Spring JMS. Spring JMS, here it is. So Spring JMS, it's quite slow. It is not inside this one, then we need to check inside code. So here it is. I need to copy it, paste it here. JMS template, need to remove class, and inside this we need to pass one property, that is connection factory. Connection factory, and the reference is this one. This bean reference I need to pass here, and it's complete. Now we need to create bean for send producer and consumer. So bean name will be producer and class will be, that will also be producer, and this will have two properties. One property will be JMS template, and the value for this, no value, reference for this will be this one. Copy it and paste it here. One more property, and that is destination dest, and the reference will be this reference, this bean reference. Paste it, complete. Now this is my producer. Similarly I need to create a bean for consumer. I will do some changes. Consumer, and rest of things will be same. So my Spring XML file is complete. Now I need to write producer and consumer. So I will have two fields, private private JMS template, JMS template, JMS template, and private destination, that will be queue. So I'll create queue directly, and I'll call queue, or should I call